How's it going, Thrivers? Miguel here from CFS Recovery. If you're dealing with CFS, chronic fatigue syndrome, long COVID, fibromyalgia, or dysautonomia, any hypersensitive nervous system disorder, keep on watching. We are holding a virtual online training, 3 essential principles to recover, but not only that, recover and stay recovered and avoid relapsing. This online event will be hosted on Sunday, March 17th at 10 a.m. PDT, 1 p.m. EST, and if you're in a different time zone, then here are the different times. I have personally seen and worked with people who have come in bedridden, and 3, 4, 5, 6 months later, they're going on vacations, they're going back to work, they're getting their lives back, and they're not relapsing, right? And that's something so many people are afraid of. Can I actually recover for good? Now, I don't want you to feel like this is a race to get your life back and get to the finish line as soon as possible. And in reality, there is no finish line. But what I've seen and what my team has seen working with hundreds of people who have gone through our programs is there are some key areas that are the highest levers that once you pull them, you're going to make tons and tons of progress. And in this online training, I'm gonna be sharing the 3 main principles. I'll personally be on there running that call. I'm gonna be sharing with you exactly what these individuals, these thrivers, are doing in order to make leaps and bounds forward in their recovery journey. So it's actually gonna be quite simple. I'm not gonna be talking about some crazy science, some crazy studies, some confusing jargon that leaves you frustrated and doesn't give you any actionable steps. I'm not gonna be talking about mitochondria and this study and that study. What I'm gonna be sharing with you is something that you're gonna be able to understand with the brain fog, with some limited cognitive capacity, and you'll be able to implement. And this is information from real life cases of people who have recovered and are recovering and making significant progress today. This is not some outdated information. This is not hypothetical. This is not just textbook theory. This is real life. Now, something very important is at this online training, at the end, I'm gonna be announcing something and you're only gonna hear it if you're at the live event. It won't even be in the replay that we send out after. So if you wanted to hear what we're going to announce, some really exciting stuff, then make sure you come to the online training. Anybody who attends, you're gonna be able to see this firsthand, and it's only gonna be offered to people who are on that call. So click the link below. You can register for the online training. It is completely free. My team and I can't wait to see you there again. We're gonna be covering the 3 essential principles to recover and stay recovered. This is ideal for you if you've been dealing with some mysterious debilitating symptoms and you've had your tests, you've had your scans done, and the doctors and specialists and naturopaths can't tell you what's going on, or the things they're trying aren't working. If they're looking at you like you're crazy, if you're frustrated that nothing is working no matter how hard you try to recover, this is for you. We're gonna keep recovery super simple, so click the link down below, register, it takes 30 seconds, and I'll see you at the online training this Sunday, March 17th. Let's get you to thriving health.